How to private featured photos on Facebook. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open your application Facebook. Tap on this three horizontal line. Head over to your profile. Scroll down and you'll get to see your featured photos of Facebook. Let's say you want to make this featured photo private. If you tap on this three dot, you won't be able to see any option where you can make it to private. But if you really don't want others to see it, then what you can do is just tap on this edit. Here first of all, you can just change the thumbnail of the photo and they won't be able to see your featured photo. Or else in the next step, what you can actually do is tap on this three horizontal line. Scroll down and head over to settings and privacy. Move into settings. Scroll down until you see the option of stories. Tap on it. And then head over to story privacy. Here the privacy of story also works on your featured photo. If you only want your friends to see your featured photo, then you need to set the privacy to friends. And then tap on save. You can also customize to choose specific people to share your story with. Also, you'll get to hide the story from the specific person. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to private your featured photo on Facebook. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.